Go.
Welcome to the Mason Daddy Digby Show. Today we have finally have our 10 subscriber play button making video. So we're gonna show you how to make it and everything. So let's show you the supplies. So we use this size box.
This size Amazon box, standard size.
You're gonna need You're gonna need to
Cut a
cut this
big
out.
piece out.
You're gonna need the triangle piece.
Yep.
Or if you want to do the bumps, you can.
Yep, that's the inside.
But that's what we did. So that's, and then that.
Show my hand in it.
And that goes together just like that.
Yep.
And you're also gonna need a glue stick to glue everything down, and a Sharpie to write. Let's go.
Okay, so Mason's gonna take over filming while I glue it
Sorry,
together.
guys. Okay, let me get the good angle. Watch out.
Sorry.
Okay, so
We can edit that. Alright,
Okay,
so
so-
first we're gonna start off by gluing this in place.
Gluing. Just gluing.
be careful to not get any glue on the play button like we just did.
Okay, what do you think about right there?
Yes, right in the center.
Little center high right there. Okay.
Now,
So we make sure it's stuck down nice and solid. Make sure it's centered good. It is.
Okay.
Then, now we take the part with the writing on it or any packaging, anything of that nature.
anything that you want to use for this
Yep.
play button video.
Then, no.
Sorry guys, Digby was showing things on camera. We don't want him to be doing
And you
that.
gotta hold this in place because it's not flat, you see?
Okay guys, so I hope you guys like that last video we did, like the 33-minute video.
Oh,
That it hasn't came out yet, but it's gonna come out soon.
oh yeah, that was a Mario Kart, right?
No, we did Mario mashup.
Oh, Mario.
I mean, no. Wait, what?
That's right, you were playing Mario Brothers.
It was the
Super Mario.
Super Mario
What is
3D
it?
World.
3D World.
3D World. That's what we were playing. Okay, so we gotta hold that down
Yep.
right in the middle of there.
Give it about a minute or so.
Okay.
Looks like it's in place. You just got to be gentle with it, but it's not going anywhere.
Okay, look at that.
You're glued.
Okay, so what do you think? Okay.
Looks like a genuine cardboard play button for having
Now it's
10
time to-
subscribers. Okay. So then we do presented.
So you write presented,
Yeah.
and then after you write presented to,
P.
you just put whatever your channel name is, or whatever your name is.
S.
Miles,
E.
stop.
Stop, Miles. T.
Guys, I'm so sorry. We're trying to have it quiet right now. Digby is making too much noise.
Presented
to.
to. Mason, what is it? The Mason Daddy and Digby Show, or just Mason Daddy and
The
Digby?
Mason Daddy Digby.
Okay.
If you don't have a play button yet, or you just want to make one, here, this is the perfect video for you.
The Mason.
So you can put your own channel name here.
Yep. Mason. Daddy.
We can have room for it.
Should be, yeah.
We have a long channel name. Remember when it used to be called the Mason Daddy Digby Pokemon Show?
Yes.
Way too long.
Daddy. This is gonna be good. Watch this. D-I-G-B.
Oh gosh.
Digby.
We're gonna put the show at the bottom because we couldn't fit it all.
Yeah, it just looks good like that. Okay.
Mason Daddy Digby Show.
The Mason Daddy and
Now,
Digby Show.
what we need to do now, what is it?
I don't know. That's it, right?
We gotta do the YouTube logo.
Oh, yeah.
And all that other stuff that's at the bottom.
What does it say at the bottom?
Well, I don't know, but I think it's just the YouTube logo. Right?
Yeah. All right. We'll just do the YouTube logo. Do like.
Okay, we're gonna color that in later.
Or
Or
I'll
right
just
now.
do it real quick. Yeah. Won't take long.
Don't worry, guys. Guys, so if you look at our channel now, we have our channel subscriptions. They're not hidden anymore. We have a new channel banner. You can check that out.
Not like that default.
They not like us.
We don't
They
have the
not like us.
YouTube default thing anymore. So if you look on our channel now, you can see it.
Made some refreshes.
We're doing it a lot better now. Remember, this is for 10 subscribers.
Next stop, 100 subscribers.
And that's when we get the cards, what is it again?
What was it?
Construction
paper. That's right.
Wait, you gotta put for passing.
Oh yeah. Let's see.
Where does that even go?
Right here, I guess I can do it small. Or right, no, on the bottom for passing 10 subscribers.
Yeah, that's where I think it goes.
Yes.
If we're not right, guys, I'm so sorry, but
And then I gotta do.
you gotta write YouTube.
Yeah.
Looking awesome.
Yeah.
And we're gonna do probably a case off camera. And then we'll show you in another video. Right?
Yeah.
Look at that. Okay, so sorry if the camera's a little bit blurry, guys. You see that? We put you. So we gotta put 2. Oh, and guys, if you want to check out Mason Creates, you can. It's another one of our channels that we only have 1 video on. So if you want to see the 1 video, you can. Just search up Mason Creates, and it's the picture of me, not the one that has like 1 subscriber.
Potato, potato.
Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Bro. He keeps doing that in the middle of a video, guys. We can't have that. This video is doing terrible, guys. Huh? He keeps making so much noise. Wow, we're serious. You didn't have to make noise as soon as I said you're making noise. YouTube. Almost done. We just need an E. gosh. So, thank you so much for 10 subscribers, guys.
We couldn't have done it without you.
Yes,
Beautiful people out there.
thank you so much.
Check it out.
Okay, now we need the 4 passing
Yes.
10 subscribers.
For
Wait, no, I think it's above the YouTube logo.
oh well, it's
Oh,
already.
whatever.
Chevy got you.
This is a fake one. This doesn't exist anyway.
Yeah, so
So for passing.
For passing?
10.
you can put that part wherever you want. We just decided to put it under YouTube. Okay, the final look.
For passing 10 subscribers.
Woo! That is our custom Mason Daddy Digby show.
Yes, let's go.
Cardboard play buttons. We'll see you on the next video.
I'm Daddy!